And we are flowing. We are flowing. Grass still has to go in. I gotta come back to pick up this grass. But I just want to show you guys. It's flowing. Surface drain with downspouts. Look at that. No issue. All the water coming out of that the neighbor's downspout. He's dumping all the water right there. And look at where it's going. Amazing. See all the water. This area used to flood. All the water from the neighbor's gutter. His downspout. He's dumping all the water right here, right next to the gate. So you guys can see all the water's running down. Amazing. This is how jobs should be looking afterwards. Everything from the channel drain goes right into there. Everything's flowing through here. This is all from the roof. All this crap from the roof. I don't even gotta clean it. I'm gonna come back this week anyway. I want to show you guys. Amazing. And everything goes through here. D-box. And to collect bulk water. This area used to flood for these people. Now they don't have to worry about this stuff no more. Look at that water just flowing down. We're catching surface water and downspouts. The grass still has to root in. We put this one here for that downspout. When it drains all the water, we collect it instead of the water sitting there. I'll show you the other side. No gimmicks here. Don't let these guys fool you. Look at this. If you live here in Florida, you know it's been raining all day today. Wednesday, October 9th. Look at that. Can't go wrong when you're installing French drain man's materials. Look at the neighbor. Flooded. Flooded. That's all water. We're collecting everything over here. Again, channel drain. We're collecting the AC. Everything goes through a D-box. And if it does flood back here, the water will go right through the D-box. No gimmicks here. Water's flowing, it is pouring out here. No water sitting nowhere, all the water. I gotta some brother. Alright. You guys can see. I gotta get out of here. It is raining hard. The wind is picked up.